What's up YouTube? This is Kunal here, again from Kunal Toy Channel. My name is a little funny, but though it's okay. So I'm gonna do an unboxing today. So I'll be doing a Creative 4.1 speaker. So let's see what we have got in the package. Okay, so here it is, Creative 4.1. It's got the subwoofer, 4 channels, satellite speakers, volume controller, and let me check the volume output. It is, let me check it. It's 40 Hertz, and it's a, let me check it. It's a 17 watt RMS subwoofer and 6 watt RMS speakers. So let us do the unboxing now. Okay, so we got the packaging. Oh. Here's the subwoofer, as you can see, Creative. In the back, we have got the base label, made in China, rear front, 12 volt AC in. Let's keep it here. For the time being, we can check the satellite speakers now. Okay, before that, let me show you some manuals. Here are some manuals, Creative, phone numbers, customer care. Yes, just give us that right. Important safety instruction for the box. That's okay. Here it comes. So guys, as you can see, satellite channels, speakers. It looks good. So I said before that each of the speakers has got 6 watt of RMS sound output for the channel speakers and 14 watt for the subwoofer, sorry. So second speaker, I have to see which is rear and front. Problem. One more, I think it is, check it out. I think it's rear, not the front, because it's got the long wire. Got one more speaker. This looks good, right? Okay, power adapter. It's heavy though. The brick is heavy. It's good. Okay. Now the stands. It's got a support for the speakers. Check out this. Need to go in like this. See? You can take it out. There's some more stand support. I've got like 4 of these now. 4 of these. Okay. Now the Creative sound volume controller. As you can see, it's got the 12 pin jack. That's it guys, this is the unboxing for the Creative 4.1 speaker, and you have a good day ahead. Thank you, bye bye.